If you want to get into meditation, you're probably wondering what's the best meditation technique for you to start with. The challenge is there are so many different types of meditation techniques. I've tried guided meditations with the Headspace app, yogic meditations where you're repeating mantras. I've tried Zen meditation where you're counting your breath. I've tried Vipassana where you focus on a sensation. So I'm gonna help you out with that. And today I'm gonna go over 10 different types of meditation, talk about what makes each of them unique and special. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to choose a technique to start with to start your meditation journey. There's mindfulness meditation when you focus on your breath. Spiritual meditation, which can involve prayer. Focus meditation, where you focus on one thing, whether it's a candle, whether it's music, whether it's a sensation. Movement meditation, where you're focused on your movement, like if you're doing a slow Zen walk. There's mantra meditation, where you repeat a mantra. There's Transcendental Meditation, which is similar, where you're repeating a mantra. There's Progressive Relaxation, where you scan your body and relax progressively from your head to your body to your toes and back and upwards. There's Loving Kindness Meditation, where you open yourself up to receive love and you also send positive thoughts and loving thoughts to other people. And there's even Visualization Meditation, where you're visualizing the outcome of success and your goal and whatever you want to feel. And finally, there's Guided Meditation. So using apps like Headspace, Calm, they can guide you through different things like focusing on sensations, your breath, stories, scanning your body. So out of everything I tried, I ultimately decided to go with Anapana meditation because it's the one meditation I know where I'm not controlling my breath. And so I'm really letting go. And also it's designed to help you focus. For beginners, any technique is good as long as you stick with it. The important thing is to start and explore. I suggest an app like Headspace that can help guide you. Kind of think of it like training wheels. If you're more advanced, try out a few more meditation techniques and pick the one that you like the most to build your practice with. If this video was helpful for you and you want to see more content like this, definitely subscribe. If you have any questions about meditation or if you have learnings you want to share, definitely feel free to drop it in the comments for all of us below. And happy meditating. Oh.